Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a good while since I've posted, but we're back at it again. And so today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of this. It is a Universe Ultimate Chemistry Lab kit thing. And so we're going to open it, and my two guests, we have Mayley and we have Genesis, my sister, which today we're recording on her birthday. She turned 11.
Yeah.
So yeah. Alright. Let's get to open this. So it says it has 20 experiments to choose from. So now let's unbox it. Pop this up. It's pretty heavy. So it comes with a poster. Let's open it. Oh, I like the colors. So it comes with this poster. It says be positive. Oh, and it has cool, not hacks. Why was I gonna say hacks? It comes with cool facts about stuff. That's cool. With instructions. Oh, these are the experiments that you can do. So it has bath bombs. Oh, you can make bath bombs.
Ooh.
You can make slime. I don't know, I guess we'll have to find out. Stay tuned, maybe we'll make a video about it. So, it comes with mineral oil. And then it comes with some pipe cleaners, a purple one and a pink one. It comes with this, like, not a flask, it is a beaker type of thing to measure liquid. And then here we have a flask. And then, so I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, but it says mica powder, something like that. It comes with a purple one and a pink one. Well, it says ultraviolet and plasma pink. Comes with two. And it comes with, oh, I think these are the molds for the bath bombs. So it's just two little half circles or half spheres. You can open it. And then it comes with, I'm assuming this is either a cap. Oh no, I think it's a funnel. It's a little baby pink funnel. And it comes with these cute little pink goggles. You want to put them on?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll put them on and model them for us. Here's the citric acid. Oh yeah. Let's take that out next then. So this is some plasma pink coloring. It's like food dye, I believe, and it's pink. And then it comes with some craft glue, which I think it looks so cute, like it's rainbow. And it's so small, like compared to my hand. So cute. And then we have some baking soda. A little bag. And then we have some sodium tetraborate. It's kind of pricey, but I'm gonna have to squish it a bit. A bag of that. And then we have some cornstarch in here. And all the powder's like out and it's like going all over. We have a pipette too for droppings. And then we have this wooden stick. I'm assuming it's for mixing. I'm not even sure, but we could just say that. Alright, so these look like little small test tubes. So we have these. It comes with two. And they open. Oh, that sounds satisfying. Alright, and then we have Epsom salt and zinc sulfide. Okay, so at the top, it kind of has like, I don't know what the right word is to call this, but it has kind of like its own tray setup. So it has holes here. Where's the other one? Oh, I can't find it. It's right here. Two holes where you can put the test tubes. So it'll hold it for you. Oh, and then the bath bomb little half pieces can go in here, or I'm assuming that might be And then we have room for the flask here, and then here's for the beaker. And then we have the rest of our things here. So.
And then here's the two little.
This one, let me stick this one just here. Right. So set this off to the side.
But it's got the pepper.
I can't read this. Alright. So let's see which ones we can do. You guys want to make bath bomb?
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, here, you guys want to start putting this stuff here
Yeah.
so we can make it. Alright, so we're gonna need baking soda first.
Okay, which one is the baking soda?
And then citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, the mica powder.
Which one?
Which color do you guys want to do?
Pink. No, purple. I don't even do pink. Can we do one half pink and one half?
Sure, we'll do both. Okay. We're gonna need some water. I'll grab that, a bowl, and the bath bomb molds. Okay, so I will be right back. I'm gonna get some materials that I'm missing. Alright, so we got the materials we need. Now we're just going to measure it out. So we're gonna have a bit of a time lapse while we measure out everything. So now that the time lapse is over, we're going to pull out all of our ingredients. So let's see. In here we have our baking soda, 2 teaspoons and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And here we have our citric acid, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons and 1 tablespoon. We have some cornstarch, 2 teaspoons. And we have 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt. So, what our instructions say?
Okay, step 1. Mix all your dry ingredients together in a bowl.
Alright, so we're gonna put on it. Which one do you guys want to do first?
Baking soda.
Okay, baking soda goes in first.
Can I do the cornstarch?
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to.
But is it dry?
Alright, so kind of smells like brown sugar. This is our citric acid, so we're just gonna pour that in. Okay, and then we have our cornstarch. So this one is our Epsom salt, so I'm gonna pour that in maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what does it say?
So it says to in a bowl. Get a bowl at least 8 ounces in size and pour 2 tablespoons of heaping teaspoons of baking soda.
So we're not gonna use our hands, we're just gonna use this little wooden stick because we're not gonna get our hands. Split it in half.
Oh my gosh, it has like smoke, but oh, it's not that much. It smells weird.
It smells weird.
Yeah.
We have that. So we're gonna have Jenny pour pour this into one of the mixtures. So Maida's gonna help me hold it. Wait, can I see that? We're just gonna have Jenny pour it into this. So we're gonna have you.
Can I do the pink one?
Yeah. And then can you hold this again? We're gonna do another one for the pink one.
Can I do the pink one, please? I'm gonna do the pink one. Jenny did the purple
Here, you're gonna
one.
hold the pink bowl for her. Okay. Now we're going to do. Let's see. Oh, we still have to do one.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Tweak it. Okay, so we need one more for the pink one. And then we're just gonna-
There's actually. We can make a mini back one. we can make one for me because I love that.
Okay, here's for the purple, and then let's just see how much we can give to each. Okay, here's another one. That one. I feel like the rest could go to the pink. I mean, not the pink, the purple. Because it looks like it. Alright, so now that we have these two mixtures, so as we're mixing it, it's kind of turning purple. Because like there's, I don't know if you guys can see, but all the purple powder's at the bottom. So as she's mixing it, it's turning purple. We're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of essential oil. Today we're going to be using an essential oil that is kind of like, it's called citrus. Alright, so we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of essential oil. And which one do we have? Which one is that one?
Peppermint.
Yeah, it's okay. We add 1/8 because we need to do half of it because we're doing two. So we're gonna add 1/8 to each mixture.
Can I pour it? I mean, can I mix it?
Yeah, you guys can each mix one. So let me pour one.
I'm gonna do the purple one now, and you do the pink one because we did the purple one mixing the powder into purple.
Okay, so we have 1/8.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Okay, let's mix it quick so it gets all of it.
Ooh, it turned into a chunk.
Alright, so maybe let's quickly mix that.
Can I have the big one?
And first, let's do with that one.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like
So we have a bowl here just for the residue or alcohol that has, and here are 2 halves. So we'll see how much we can make with these two mixtures. So So now we're going to grab the 2 halves and we're going to close it. So you have to kind of do this quick. I'm going to close this.
Whoa.
We have it closed now. So now we're just going to do the instructions.
And
Alright, so
then
we're going to have
water.
some water in this bowl. I'm going to add some water that we have in it. beaker. Alright.
Can I put it?
First, let me take it out.
With the water.
So you want to hold this for me while I get the mold?
Here's the saucepan. Now I'm gonna just put them and shake it to release it here. It's a bit crazy. Doesn't that look cool though?
Yeah.
Like a galaxy. Like, so let's take this out. Oh, I love it. It looks like a marble. Then drop it in. Ready? Set go. Whoa!
Oh my god. Guys, look. It's literally a galaxy explosion. Whoa.
Oh, that looks cooler in real life. Yeah, it looks cooler in real life.
And now we're going to try to attempt a second one. So right now, they are filling the mold up with more. So we're just going to, okay, we're going to try to, this time we'll try to do half and half. Just pour it in. It's much faster. Okay, so.
Whoa. Well, I feel
Try to
like
pack it in.
I
as
feel
much
like I'm
as
like
we
shaking
can.
when I put it in.
Alright, so we have it here. Okay, now let's do,
Can I mix it? The back, the this? Can I
yeah, if
mix?
you want to.
Can you pass me
Oh,
the stick?
I think we're only going to be able to do like little halves. Because I don't think we have enough to make another full one.
And then we had
We have this one.
Oh,
The edges crumbled a bit. Let's put it in. Alright, but here. I think it might overflow. Okay, ready guys? 1, 2. Here, let's, I want to add a little bit. Maybe it will fizz. Alright, let's add the last bath bomb we made.
wow!
Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Alright. Alright, let's add some powder. Let's see how that works. Oh my gosh, guys, look. It's fizzing.
Whoa!
It looks like a galaxy. It's pretty cool. That was the unboxing of the set. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks again guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to go check out their channels because they each have one. Hers is
The Little Unboxer.
and this beautiful lady's channel is
The Little Toy Player.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video of unboxing the science kit. We will have more videos coming out soon, I promise. We actually have another one that's going to come out in a little bit that we're going to film. And so I hope you guys like the video. Till next time, peace. Bye.